Alright, burger lovers, gather around. Whether you're a fast food fanatic or just love a good DIY project, you're in for a treat today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Big Mac at home. But there's a twist. Everything is in claymation. That's right. We're swapping spatulas for sculpting tools and buns for blocks of clay. No, you can't eat these burgers, but you'll definitely want to after watching. Trust me, by the end, you'll be craving the real thing. Or maybe just inspired to make your own clay creations. Let's start with the buns. The Big Mac's signature 3 layers. That extra middle bun is what sets it apart from your average burger, and we're not skipping any details here. Roll out some golden brown clay, slice up those perfect circles, and don't forget the top bun's sesame seeds. The color and shape are key to making it look just right. Just a quick press with a toothpick, and boom, those little dots come to life. It's the tiny touches that make your clay burger look extra realistic. Compare your clay buns to the real thing, see how close you can get. It's all about having fun and paying attention to those classic burger details. Now onto the star of the show, the patties. Every Big Mac needs 2, and they've got to be just the right size. I grab some deep brown clay, flatten it into 2 even rounds, and give them a little ruffled texture around the edges. This makes them look juicy and freshly grilled. Remember, Big Mac patties are thin, so don't go too thick. Next up, cheese. The cheese is what brings that melty, mouth-watering look. I take bright yellow clay, slice it into neat squares, and lay it so it melts just right over our patties. Let the corners drape over the edge for that classic fast food vibe. It's all about that oozy look. Let's get saucy. The Big Mac sauce is legendary, and we're not skipping it. For the iconic Mac sauce, I mix a dab of creamy peach and pink clay, swirl it together, and spread it thick on the middle and top buns. Don't be shy. This is where the flavor lives, even in clay. Don't forget, this sauce packs the magic. It's the secret ingredient that makes a Big Mac, even in miniature form. Alright, time to stack up those layers. This is where your burger really starts to come together, and you can see all your hard work pay off. Start with the bottom bun, then patty, gooey cheese, a handful of fresh green clay lettuce, and a sprinkle of tiny onion bits. Each layer adds color and texture, just like the real thing. Slap down the middle bun, repeat the process, patty, cheese, lettuce, onions, then crown it all with the top. Don't rush this part, stacking is where the magic happens. But wait, we can't forget the pickles. No Big Mac is complete without those tangy, crunchy slices. I roll out some green clay, cut out tiny circles, and add those classic pickle ridges. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in the final look. Tuck them right under the top bun for that tangy crunch. Well, pretend crunch. Even in clay, the pickles are a must-have. And there it is, my homemade Big Mac claymation style. Every layer, every detail, all built by hand. I gotta say, even though it's not edible, it looks good enough to eat. The colors, the shine, the layers. It's a feast for the eyes. If you want to try the real thing at home, just swap the clay for real ingredients, and follow the same steps. Minus the toothpicks and the oven mitts for your fingers. You'll be surprised how easy it is to recreate that iconic burger in your own kitchen. So, next time you crave a Big Mac, remember, you can build the magic right in your own kitchen. Or, if you're feeling creative, in your craft room. Whether you're cooking or crafting, it's all about having fun and making something awesome. Hit like if you're hungry, and subscribe for more tasty claymation fun. There's plenty more where this came from, so don't miss out. See you next time, and keep those cravings colorful. Until then, happy crafting and happy snacking, real or pretend.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.